Nairobians can't access electricity because of power blackouts, which is ranging from 1 month, 2 months, 6 months in other areas within Nairobi, and Nairobi is a city in the Republic of Kenya, trying to convince us that transformers will be installed in various constituencies. It is a shame, and I don't know what you're doing in office, if the great people of Mihango Ward can't get electricity because of blackouts. If the great people of Makopolo in Jiru can't get electricity. If the great people of Takwa Mosque, the great people of Muguna around Kayole Junction, the great people of Karsarani constituency can't access electricity, Kisumu Ndogo in Spring Valley Ward, and Embakasi Central, and other areas within Nairobi County. It is a shame, and stop punishing the great people of Nairobi. Hii maneno ya kusema ya kwamba stima hawezi pata sahi, tutawacha hiyo upuzi kabisa. Thank you and God bless Kenyans. Tibim.